children. This is lecture 6. Today we'll discuss about the topic cyclotron. What is cyclotron? So first of all, we should know that what is the use of this device. Cyclotron is a device by which we can accelerate positively charged particle for getting high energy. Positively charged particle is accelerated by the cyclotron. It acquires high energy and bombard for nuclear bombardment for nuclear reaction. It is also used in hospitals for the treatment of chronic disease. So, one line we are writing: cyclotron is a device by which we can accelerate positively charged particle to get high energy. What is the use? First use for the treatment of chronic disease. B, for nuclear bombardment. C, for purification of solid by adding positive ion. So you should know this thing. What is the use of this cyclotron? First use is in the treatment of chronic disease. How? That is the mechanical process. B, for nuclear bombardment. And C, for purification of solid by adding positive ion. Now we should know how it works. So we'll see the structure or diagram of cyclotron. This is the cyclotron. Now, this is the diagram of cyclotron. What is this? Actually, this is the D-shaped device, D-shape. Its shape is D. And this D-shaped device is totally hollow. This side also hollow. This is called D1, D2, D1, D2, D-shape. D-shape device. It is connected with high frequency oscillator. High frequency oscillator. High frequency oscillator means this is an oscillator. It produces high frequency and polarity changes after certain interval. Suppose that instantly when it will be switched on, then one will be positive, then other will be negative. After certain interval, this will be positive and this will be negative. Suppose that initially when this oscillator starts, this is negative and this is positive, then after certain interval this will be negative and this will be positive. So polarity changes, and due to change of polarity the particles are accelerated. Now, due to the acceleration there is no complete circle. Every half semicircle its radius increases. So how it starts? We should know. This is the positively charged. This is the positively charged. This positively charged particle is kept in between the D's. This like that. This is the D. Positively charged particle is kept here, and upper side is north pole, lower side is south pole. This is the high graded electromagnet. So magnetic field is acting downward, and when oscillator will be on, switched on, then one D will be positively charged and other D will be negatively charged. So high electric field generates in between the D's. Then what happens? When positively charged will be kept here, then this positively charged will be attracted towards this D, because this is negatively charged and this is positively charged. So this positively charged will be attracted inside the D. As soon as it will enter perpendicular magnetic field act, so it moves circularly. Then again polarity changes. This is negative side and this is positive. Then again it will be attracted this side, and again when it will be attracted, then again when it enters in this D, then again it moves circularly due to the perpendicular magnetic field, and so on. Polarity changes, particles are accelerated, it acquires energy, and finally it comes out from the periphery of the D and hits the target. So it acquires energy and does some work. I think it is clear. So write down please. Cyclotron has two D's. Cyclotron has two D's which is connected with high frequency oscillator. Which is connected with high frequency oscillator. Full stop. This oscillator changes its polarity. This oscillator changes its polarity in equal interval of time. So when charged particle is attracted towards one of the D, towards one of the D, then perpendicular magnetic field acts, perpendicular magnetic field acts and it moves circularly. In between, polarity changes and charged particle is attracted and same process is repeated. Acquires sufficient energy because it is accelerated due to the change of polarity. The shape acquires by the particle is spiral. Is spiral. Now, theory. When it enters inside the D, Lorentz force act is equal to centripetal force. Lorentz force QVB sin 90. Centripetal force mv square by r. So v will be cancelled. QB equal to mv by r. So r equal to mv by qb. Time, first one, time taken in covering half semicircle, time taken in covering half semicircle, T, half semicircle, this is the half semicircle, that is pi r by v, because time equal to distance by velocity, r equal to pi, r equal to mv by qb, v will be cancelled, so time will be equal to pi m by qb. I think it is clear. Pi m by qb. In covering the half semicircle, we have got the time pi m by qb. It is not depending on velocity. Now we can write this time equal to t by 2, because half semicircle, this time is time period by 2 is equal to pi m by qb, and so t will be equal to 2 pi m by qb. This is the time period acquired by the charged particle. This is the time period acquired by the charged particle. We can find out the frequency. Frequency f equal to 1 by time period. So f will be equal to qb by 1 by 2 pi m by qb. We can write here qb by 2 pi m. This is the frequency. It is also called cyclotron frequency, because this event is going inside the chamber of D, hollow chamber of D, and then we can find energy. we can find energy, kinetic energy, kinetic energy, kinetic energy equal to E half mv square, that is equal to half m v, v that is equal to, we have mv square by r equal to qvb, so v will be cancelled, v equal to qbr by m, whole square, so this will be equal to half m q square b square r square by m square, m will be cancelled, so q square b square r square by 2m. This is the kinetic energy gained by the charged particle. Now here there is a major point why negatively charged particle is not accelerated. From this device, negatively charged particle is not accelerated because electron has less mass than proton, means electron is lighter than proton. When lighter particle starts from here, then after one rotation or half rotation, it strikes the hollow chamber, wall of the hollow chamber. Why? Because it is lighter than proton. It is lighter than positively charged particle. So electron is not accelerated. I think clear? So now, actually this device comes in the examination and you have to do problem. Some problem means one or two problem on the basis of this cyclotron. So generally it is asked, find cyclotron frequency. Problem, find cyclotron frequency if a proton is accelerated in magnetic field of 2 Tesla, magnetic field of 2 Tesla, of radius 10 centimeter. So cyclotron frequency f equal to 1 by t, time period, that is equal to this t we have found just now, t equal to pi r by v equal to qvb equal to mv square by r, so v will be cancelled, then v equal to v equal to qvb equal to mv square, then v equal to qbr by m, then r will be cancelled, this will be equal to pi n by qb, then this is the t by 2 pi m by qb, so t is equal to 2 pi m by qb, so this will be equal to 2 pi m by qb. So cyclotron frequency will be equal to qb by 2 pi m. Charged particle 1 proton This charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. B. Magnetic field is 2 Tesla. This is 2. This is the pi 3.14, and mass of proton, that is equal to 1.672632 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So we get here, after calculating, we can find out the frequency of the cyclotron, that will be in hertz. Thank you.